Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 20 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. Start by accessing settings. Now scroll down, select security and tap on screen lock. Then pick one of the login methods, pattern, pin or password and tap on the chosen one. After that you need to enter it, click next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and just confirm. Over here you need to choose one of the options for notifications on your lock screen by clicking on one of the options. I don't want any notifications, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and tap done at the bottom right corner. So now when I go back, turn off my screen then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!